Hello everyone, I'm Bill at Vengeant Apparatus, and on today's Vehicle Spotlight, we have this 2019 Ford F550 gas, purchase-ready Squall. This unit was designed and built in Vengeant Apparatus. It has 4 500 series lights on the front of the vehicle. When you come around to the side, we have a Whelen 5V series light. It's the same as the light on the front, but it has a little kick out to get you 180 degrees of noticeability. On top, we have the Liberty 2 light bar, also a Whelen product. When you come to the front of the box here, we have telescoping Pioneer pole lights. We often get asked how high do they go. This is how high our telescoping lights can go, and they do spin 360 degrees. The first compartment here is our transverse compartment. In this compartment, you can see we have one of the largest transverse compartments in the business. We can do that due to our cage style construction. If you look at one of our previous videos that Mark did, you can see our cage style construction a little bit better. On this side, we have 2 SCBA cylinder holders, and we also have a 5V series light between those two. Above those, we have our wheel well compartment. Now this compartment has unistrut, as does all our other compartments, so whatever your needs may be in the future, we have mounting capabilities there for you. On the sides, on the top, we have M7 emergency lightings, and we also have M7 scene lighting for your scene lighting needs. The third compartment here, we also have unistrut in there, and this is also lined in a PPC coating, which is kind of like a Line-X coating, but it's sprayed on, and it's 1/8 inch thick. We do have shelving we can make for these. If you guys would like to buy this unit, it is available, and we can make shelving for all these compartments for you. At the rear of the vehicle, we have M9 warning lights and scene lights. It's a combination of the same. The top is warning and the bottom is scene, and the bottom scene lights will give you a nice 45-degree angle so you're not blinding vehicles behind you while you still have your scene lighting. We also have M6 brake, tail, turn, and emergency lighting back here, and also your reverse lights are right there as well. The rear of this vehicle, what makes it a Squall versus a Surge, is this electric Pace Edwards cover. This cover will retract the whole way to the back, leaving this whole compartment wide open for any need you could imagine for this vehicle. You can put a skid unit in here and make this a brush style truck. You can put a slide back here to keep cones or other equipment or rescue tools. Anything you would need, this truck can handle it. Below the opening, we have a chain box here. This can be used to put a hitch or anything small like flares inside. This was just dead space in the truck, and we decided to utilize it with a small box. When you come to the side of the truck, you'll see these compartments mirror the other side of the truck. So this is your rear compartment. You can add slides in here. Also has our PPC coating inside of it. Our wheel well compartment is the exact same. You can add a tray in here. You can put a slide in here. You can do anything you can imagine with these compartments. We have the unistrut in there, so we can design this truck to fit your needs. In the transverse compartment, you can see our slide. This slide will go 70% out either direction. So if you're the driver of this unit and they open that door but don't push the slide out, you can push the slide out for them. If you look underneath here, we left this compartment off so you can look in here and see our carbide system. This is the wiring for all the emergency lighting for the vehicle. On top of that, we have the M7 emergency lighting, and we also have M7 scene lighting, and above the wheel well, we have the 5V series Whelen lights. When you come to the front of the box, we have the Pioneer telescoping pole light, just like the other side. And on the driver's side door, we have the Vengeant Apparatus logo that was done by our market graphics, done in-house, as everything is with this vehicle. Here you can see our custom console. As of right now, since this vehicle is still for sale, the console is not done. This is how it looks in its raw form. It has space for your radios, your portables, anything you would want to have in this vehicle, we can make it. If you look on the control box here we have for the lights and sirens, we do have an all scene button. You push that button, it'll turn all your scene lights on for you. And since this vehicle has no arrow stick, your bottom 3 buttons, which would usually control your arrow stick, we have as extra sirens. Thank you for watching this vehicle showcase. As a reminder, this vehicle is for sale. If you would like to buy it, you can contact me, Bill at VengeantMFG.com. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.